Welcome to October 1st, 2009 pre-market video. Can you believe it? We're already almost 3 months from the end of the year. That's pretty amazing how fast it went by. It's been pretty active market since this spring and all over, I guess, or overall, it's been a pretty good year. So, and we'll see if the market will keep going up like it is right now. I told you, right, this is the next level that we need to look at in terms of resistance, and it is possible that we have this big round trip, from 6,500 to 10,800 in the same year. And you know what's funny is I talked to a lot of people, and like I was in the plane going back, or actually coming back from Vegas, and most people think that people in the trading market have had a very tough time this year. And it's funny, I just see that they're totally disconnected. And what this tells me is that there's still a lot of people that have not realized that we're up almost 50% from March. That's pretty amazing. They just don't see it. They just don't follow the market, and they think if they read the headlines, they think it's we're still hurting a lot. So that's the nice thing of being a trader, basically, I guess. So let's look at these chart. The Dow basically did. I was going through a few charts as I was talking, but the Dow, I can remove this bar right now. Now we're more like into a range. You see that this support really acted well today. Just as the market came back, it crushed it a bit. It just broke it, and then it came back up, and then just basically we stayed into that range. The whole day after. We just stayed up. So that's a good thing. It's a good thing. It means that there's no follow through in any short selling or any push going down. So that's good. It's positive for looking to go back up. QQQ, same thing. And look at the 20 moving average there. So we could have like probably some consolidation, or maybe we have another big move up again. So either way, it came back, and here's the thing. It's funny how we look at this. This is big volume, goes up, comes down. That's a big ramp that was formed there, right? And when you see this and you're able to get these moves, you don't need to stay in too long, and you make a few good, 50, 100%, 200%. You see how it trades, and you need to know when to get in and how, when to get out. That's very, very important. And these things are fast trade. So this one right now definitely is, we're out, and you need to keep watching if there's a re-entry, but we need to let it stabilize. There was a big sell-off today, so you don't want to be part of that after a big shakeout like that. Or actually when the shakeout happened, looking at a big bar like this topping tail after a big surge like this, you need to take some profit and look for other points where to buy it. KNDR is looking like it's perking up, that's good, that's perfect. It's first day where it's stabilized like that, where we have some green. So I've got my trend line right there that I draw, so we're waiting for another big reload on that one. Water is the same thing. Had pretty good, sideways action. Today finished strong. So we'll see what the next few days will give us. But that's anybody, what? If you're looking at a pattern like that, this is accumulation time right now. And, if you are not doing that, wherever you bought, if you bought in the first place, if you're not doing that, you'll never make money trading. You need to go when it doesn't look certain sometime. To be able to take advantage of some big moves, and go back to the archives of the last few days, and you'll understand all the comments I made on this stock. GETA, which was on our list for a while, had a good reset today. Got in, as it turned out, it finished very strong. I didn't give it to you real time just because I was into other trades, and like I say, it's a free service. The video, we're putting together an inner circle service that will be a paid service. I'm telling you right now, it's like $88 a month, which I think is still very cheap. But you'll see as we put it out. We might put a few other offer in it. Some people, because they got some of the DVDs, have like a 2 months or 6 months free package on it, free trial. But nevertheless, these offers are over if you haven't been able to take advantage of them. But we're coming out with that. So just a trade like this, you know, pays if you're on the free real-time alert. You buy at 91, you sell at 10 at 1, you know, you make 10% or 10 points, you know, like 10 cents. You know, 88 bucks is paid pretty quickly. DPHIQ and Geta will probably have some follow through tomorrow with the volume we had. So, but the right point to get in was 90 cents, right? Just as it crossed this top right here. Okay, DPHIQ is another one stabilizing. HYGN, you know, nothing. I don't know. I'll release or actually remove it from the list of active trade. You know, it was just there. I just carried it, you know, from previous list. MDOR, it's coming back up. Again, in that resistance, we'll see if we have a big increase in volume. Volume is not there. That's my problem right now with that stock. It's not there, but still, we'll see. Now, FLX, which I talked to you about yesterday, you know, big weakness, and I bought there. I bought in that weakness at 20.5. That's where I bought because I knew, you know, something would probably follow with big volume like that, and I bought with the in mind that I could have to buy at 16 and 15 when it pulled back, but it didn't pull back, so I don't have my full position on it, but still it looks very, very good. And with this, if I can show you a picture, because a picture is worth 1,000 words. Okay, you can see this, right? Does it, you know, remember, you know, if it remind you anything, right? So that's the picture of strength that you want to see. Now this one came back quickly. We'll see if FLX does the same thing, but from what we see right now, it could be pretty good tomorrow. This other stock you want to watch is SCLX. It's pretty good. Had a big push today. I picked some as my alert popped. I was watching the stock for a while now. You know, that's another stock that needed to clear some actually get out of this base. It's done on good volume. We'll see how it goes from here. WDRP, which I sent you an email on that because I saw the volume picking up. It was 1.5 early in the day when I saw it, you know, flash. I think around there. Let me just go back here. Oh, I'll just squeeze this a bit, you know, so we have a better view. Yeah, I think it was right around this moment. Is it 10? Yeah, 10, 15, sometime like that, right? That's about it. That's where it went, and then it went sideways, and then some massive selling came in, which I'm not really happy, to tell you the truth. But it finished strong. I give it, you know, some time today, and I bought back some, you know, on average, just to be able to build a position. We'll see what happened today, but this volume really means something. There was a lot of sellers. You need to understand it came from 0.006, so it's almost tripled in one day. And some people ask me, is there a way you can tell us before they move? I don't know. Sometimes, you know, the move is already started, and there's nothing I can do, you know, like you see on the 5-minute chart. What really got my attention is all that big volume that came, you know, right there, and then I saw these bars coming in, and we had followed it, so it was on some alerts for, you know, like special volume that I have, some special alert, and that's how I got it. So on this, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you for Friday morning as well. Thanks a lot. Bye.